After I found her name, I couldn't stop staring at that photo. Sister Agnes, dead since 1972. And yet, I saw her every morning. I asked around, casually, about the bell tower. Most teachers brushed it off, but one janitor said they sealed it off after the accident. No one's allowed up there. That night, I snuck in. The stairs were old, dusty, untouched, but halfway up, I found a rosary on the step, still warm, like someone had just dropped it. At the top, the bell rope swayed gently. But the windows were shut. Then I heard it, bare feet, slowly walking behind me. I turned. No one was there.